Schuster GT1511 heat press walk around. So this is the twin table machine. So you have a table on both sides. This is the main operator's side. You've got a fully functional control panel. Walking around to the other side. You can see on this side the table is extended and there's a much more simple control panel just with a emergency stop, stop and two start buttons. So to start the machine you've got to press both those green buttons on either side. Operation of the machine is really simple. On the control panel we've got main on off button, turns power on and off, two control circuits for temperature. There are two temperature circuits on the heating platen, timer, emergency stop, pressure and pressure adjust, key operated manual, auto or service. So in auto mode the process is you would just push the table in, and as soon as the table's in the pressing starts. In manual mode you push the table in, but you then have to press this button and this button at the same time in order to activate heat pressing. In service mode the machine will operate, but the manual guarding down the bottom here won't close, so you can operate the machine without the guarding operating in order to see inside and see what's going on. Comes with a silicon pad which you put on both sides of the machine to allow for seams and irregularities in the product that you're pressing. So the process is really simple. You load your product onto the platen. We've got this set to 10 seconds pressing at this stage and it's on auto. So we press the table in and it will immediately start. Counting down. And open. The table drops. As soon as it's reached its bottom, you can then pull it out. So operating in manual is key operated, so we can now remove the key and the operators from on the factory floor can't now change that operational mode. To operate in manual, we load our product as before, push the table in, nothing will happen until we press both green buttons at the same time. Counting down our 10 seconds. Safety bar goes up, table drops, and we can pull the platen out. This time we're going to demonstrate twin table operation. So first side, and it's in auto. So the machine automatically starts. You walk around to the other side of the machine. Load your product. At this point the other side is pressing. We've increased the time to 20 seconds now to give us a little bit more time to do the demo. Laying out your product. The 20 seconds is up. And once the table is dropped inside, all you do is push this side in and it will commence pressing immediately. And on the other side, this table has now been ejected, ready for you to remove your product and start the process again. So one of the really unique features of the Schuster machines is that you can have excess material on the platen. And by that, I mean that there's a gap all the way around on all four sides of the platen, all through here, and in actual fact, on this side as well. So if you had a piece of material that you wanted to press, for instance, like this, which was larger than the platen, you could place your material and then tuck it underneath so that when you press, you don't have any problems with the excess material. The way they're able to do that is because, unlike nearly all the Chinese and a lot of the American machines that have the rails which have the rollers on them on either side, Schuster have the rails here underneath in the middle. This is a really great feature if you're pressing onto a very large product and you want to press in the middle.